Hello everyone, it is Miss Gauerke here, and today we're going to add yet another element to your Maniac Magee folder that we have right here. So if you do not have these two things out, go on ahead and get both of these things out. You may color your elements right here. I colored this kind of Pac-Man looking guy and these four squares here, but if you don't want to color them, that's fine. It's strictly optional. But today you're going to do the themes element of Maniac Magee, and you are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4 themes of this chapter book. Yes, books can have more than one theme. So first, let's take a look at what theme really means. Let's do a little recap. And you guys have been working a lot with theme lately. When we do songs of the week, I have you find the theme. I've been doing a lot with that. So I know that all of you know what the theme is. But let's talk about what it's not. The theme is not the main idea. I'm going to write main idea. Absolutely not. So many people get that confused. I'm going to put an X through there. No main idea. Absolutely not. It is something different. The theme is, however, the overall, we could do message or idea that can, let's say, appear in multiple pieces, because pictures can have themes, movies can have themes, songs have themes, all of the above. So let's think of some examples of themes. Example of a theme could be love, friendship, power is a good one. That comes up a lot. Courage, survival is a good one. A few, and it can be one word, but it can also be things like, let me use a different color over here because that's fun. It can be things like individual, which would be a person or a character. Versus society. So that happens when a character, which would be an individual, is faced with society, or the world is happening, or the place where that character lives. He's having problems with that. His conflict would be the place where he lives. Also, some are coming of age. It's a really great theme. For a piece of literature or a book. And coming of age really means when the character is growing up. So if the character goes through some changes, and this happens in a lot of children's books, adult books, teen books, all kinds of books have coming of age. Which is when, and it doesn't have to be necessarily when the character starts out small and grows up. It usually happens if the person's mind is growing. He's growing up in character, in mind, and body. Goes up. So there's some examples of theme right there. Love, friendship, power, courage, survival, individual versus society, coming of age. All great themes to think about. And if you feel like any of these have to do with Maniac Magee, you totally can choose one of these theme examples for Maniac Magee. But also you can look up on you can think for yourself what a theme could be for Maniac Magee. And I'm not going to write anything in there because I want you to come up with the theme yourself, and we can talk about it later. All right, so here is how to attach this to your foldable. So once you are done writing your 4 themes in here, please attach it to your foldable. And I have attached a brad here for you, so you can use it to attach these 2 spinners together because this is supposed to act like a spinner. So first of all, don't lose your brad. You're going to cut both of these circles out. So go ahead and grab your scissors. You're also going to need glue for this activity. Get out your colored pencils. Ta-da! If you want to color your theme picture. So let's clear your workspace. I'm going to clear my workspace. And let's cut out these 2 wheels right here. It's very important to cut along those nice, solid black lines so we can get a nice circle. There we go. There's your first circle. And I'm going to cut out the next one. There we go. So there we've cut out our 2 circles right here. So now is your time. I'm going to set my scissors down. I'm going to detach this little brad right here. Take it off, take off the tape, all of that. So now you have your brad. And then you have your 2 circles right here. Recycle your paper. Now, you're going to need to do this very carefully. You need to make sure that each of these are on top of each other. So we're going to make a spinner, and our brad is going to go right in between these two circles right here. And I'm going to move this away so you can very clearly see exactly what I am doing. So what you're going to do, crazy how lighting works, huh? Interesting. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to put this brad through this first hole right here. So you're just going to punch it on through. Just like that. Try not to jab your finger with the brad. So once that's punched through there, you're going to punch it through this hole right here. Make sure it's right in the center. And if you need an adult to help you, that's just fine. But you're going to punch right through there. Here we go. So now, as you can see, I have these two holes punched through. And I have my themes wheel laid very, very nicely. So I'm going to bring both of those together. Put my brad upside down like that. And then I'm going to spread these two metal pieces apart so that they lay flat, just like that. There we go. Then I have my wheel, and I can move this around to see the different themes that there are. All right. So, depending on how you'd like your little theme thing to go, I'm going to have mine look just like this. So mine is going to be glued in just like that. So open up your folder, and you're going to glue your themes wheel right here, right at the top. And in order to do that, you're going to flip this over. You're going to take out your glue. And this is when liquid glue is going to be really nice to have. Because in order for my spinner to work, I don't want to get glue anywhere near the brad. It's very important. So I'm just going to put enough glue so that this is going to stick in to my folder. So I'm just going to dab my glue. Maybe. Important to open your glue first, I guess. Cool. All right, now let's see if it'll come out. There we go. We're gonna dab the glue there. Being very careful not to get it near the brad. I'm just going to put it in all 4 of these corners. Enough so it sticks. Going to flip it over. Going to make sure that it is glued nice and straight. And my foldable, there we go. Make sure not to overlap any kind of lines. And there you have it. There's my themes wheel, so I can turn this and I can see each theme, but I want you to write your own themes. And that concludes the inside of our folder. Yay! If you need directions on how to assemble any of these other parts to the folder, please make sure to go visit my YouTube channel. Click on that Maniac Magee playlist foldable, and it will tell you it will show all of the elements on how to put all of this together, this whole project. All right, that includes the inside. Please stay tuned for the next portion, which is the back of your folder. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you all very, very soon. Have a great day.